let's talk about haters. So the truth is, you're always gonna have haters. And hey, some of your friends and family might be the haters too. The idea is haters are gonna be a part of your journey. But haters shouldn't affect you, because if anything, it should give you an idea that you are getting out there. You are putting yourself out there. You're reaching new people. I've heard a statement where if you have a lot of haters, you are slowly doing something good. If you don't have enough haters, that means you just haven't done enough. You need to do more. There's two things to understand about haters. One, haters are secretly fans, in my opinion. Because at the end of the day, they might not like your stuff, but they will definitely comment on a lot of your stuff. And good or bad, it pushes it up. It doesn't matter about what they say, it just matters about the comment. So even though they don't understand this, but they are actually helping to push your content out. That's one. So they're technically fans. The other point is, it really doesn't matter about what they say. Because if it's something negative, it's a self-reflection of how they think, what's going on in their life. Because I can promise you, if you're a good person, you have good intentions, and you're there to help people, there's people out there that they're in situations that they're so negative, their whole life is negative, so it makes sense why they're commenting negative things. But that has nothing to do with you. That has everything to do with their own life. And a good confirmation of this is probably 90% of the haters have some kind of fake profile. They don't even have a picture of themselves. They have a locked profile or a blocked or a private profile. So you have to understand that you got to look at it like this. The hater has a private profile, almost like a fake profile. They're commenting negative things, which technically helps push your content out. And in my experience, half the things that they say doesn't make any sense, right? Because they're not in the field or they're not a professional. So half the time they don't even know what they're talking about. So why do you let it affect you, right? If anything, it should excite you. That means more people are watching your stuff. You're getting out there a little bit more. That's just that thing that haters don't really understand. Your comment has nothing to do with the person that you're hating on, but everything to do with yourself. And if anything, you should feel bad for the hater, because having a mindset like that, they're gonna be stuck in that mindset for a long time. It's almost like they don't have any hope, because they are so far behind that they would need to fix their mindset first to start from zero, which is so sad, because there's no way you're going to be successful with that kind of mindset. So you need to fix your mindset first and then start obtaining the knowledge. Because think about it, a hater can't even absorb any knowledge because their mind is full of negativity. Their mind is full of limited beliefs. Their mind is full of, I can't do it, it's not possible. So because it's not possible for me, it can't be possible for anybody else. Think about that kind of mindset. Like when you start to realize that, you'll start to feel bad for them, right? You start to feel bad for these people that are probably gonna be in this mindset for the rest of their lives. And the truth is, half the time I agree with them. Whatever they say, sure. In your reality, that's correct.